Here's a door. It was a trash door in a kitchen cabinet before being cleaned. This just shows you how good the product we use, which is Krud Kutter. I don't have a jar to show you, but that's the door before being cleaned. This is the product, highly recommended. That's the beautiful assistant, my wife, that's gonna clean it. Now, I'm gonna show you the difference. The biggest part of prep is cleaning. So we spray the Krud Kutter on it.
It's concentrated.
Yes, it is concentrated. We mix it depending on the job. She takes a green scrub pad, and that's what she scrubs it with. Very important to do this before you sand. We see painters sand it and then clean it. You're pushing the grease down in it when you do that. So you're smearing the grease around. So this product here, look at that, getting it cleaned already. So after it's cleaned real good and gets rinsed off, then we will sand it before we prime it. But again, look how good that product, Krud Kutter, cleaned all that grease and trash and stuff. That's an unusual door. That was on the trash bin. We see that all the time. It's not a big deal. But on all the doors, make sure you clean it before you sand it. Krud Kutter. That'll get you what you need. Another tip from repaintflorida.com. If you have any questions on painting your cabinets, give us a call. We've got over 40 years experience painting cabinets. We can show you each little step, and we can show you why using quality products and paints and doing it right pays off. Visit our website at repaintflorida.com. Look, it's already getting clean. Still needs some more, but it's getting there. So